Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzel Create. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to our Make It Till We Make It to our 1K giveaway. So yay, finally we are going to be drawing. We're going to be doing this drawing. Actually, I've already did the pre-drawing last night. I couldn't videotape it. I usually don't videotape because my hubby and kids are asleep. And yeah, anyways, so we want to thank each and everyone who came along and subscribed to our channels and are supporting us through this whole you know growth of our channel. Wow, we were so happy, excited. We still are. And we did not want to ask that you guys send us anything. We wanted to send you guys something. We wanted to show you guys our appreciation of you guys always supporting us, and anyone was welcome to join this giveaway. So as you guys could see, here are the projects that I created throughout this whole collaboration with me and Tree from Craft On. You guys have been amazing. I do want to say that we kind of had to, oh my gosh, it was so hard. We wanted to, like, we wish we could have given everybody a prize because you guys have been here and been supporting us and been cheering us on, and yay. But anyways, I do have to mention that we had a few people that actually did everything that we asked for. We asked that you guys did a VR, enter me on all the videos, and some of you guys did and some of you guys didn't, and that kind of hurt us. We were like, oh. But anyways, thank you for your support. So let me continue on. I'm so sorry. So like I said, I already did my grand prize drawing yesterday, and to that, my grand prize winner is Des Reese. And I did have to if they did a YouTube or Instagram or enter me on all the videos, I did put that on there, folded it up and pulled it out. Do excuse my voice, but surprise, me and Tree talked and talked, and we were like, yeah, there's a lot of people that are not doing everything. Maybe they don't have a YouTube channel where they make videos, or Instagram, and all they could do is enter me, or maybe they just didn't listen to all of our rules and they just did the VR. So we decided to make a mini prize. Basically what we did is we recreated these items, but we made them in a smaller package and less items. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Hold on. So here is the mini tote bag that I created. This is for the second prize winner. And here are these charms right here. And then I did the balloons and the minis. And then the tassels right there. So different sizes right there. I did the, these are bag toppers right here, and this one came, these are the shakers, and they come in a little bag. And oh my goodness, they're so cute, you guys. Look at, oh my goodness. So there you go, and I will put these back in here when I get a chance. And then I also did the mini banner. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. There you go. And these are more embellishments, and the bows. And then I'm forgetting the rosettes in here. And there you go. So who won this one? Like I said, we entered everybody that did all the grand prize people, and all the enter me's and the VRs into this mini one. So this one goes to Kimberly Creates. So Kimberly, email me. I know you mailed me something about a week ago. No, like 2 weeks ago. I lost your package. I lost the envelope. So email me. You have a week. If you don't email me in a week, I will have to have a new draw for a new winner. So Des Reese, also email me with your information. I might have your address somewhere in here, but I did not write it down in my address book, so I do apologize for you guys. So the winner for this, please email me. Thank you so much for participating, everybody. Oh my goodness, it was so hard. We so wish we could have given you guys something. You guys have been so supportive, and we really appreciate you guys, and we hope that we can continue to grow our channels. And we will be doing more collaborations and giveaways, so do keep an eye out and an ear out for that. So thank you again for all your support, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.